Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Steller and give some predictions for the future. Does that bode well for the Steller price prediction for the end of 2021 and beyond? Disclaimer: this video does not encourage you to buy any of the cryptocurrencies or investing at all. This is just the opinion of an amateur, not a financial advisor. Before investing in cryptocurrency, I recommend talking to your financial advisor and doing your own research. Also, if you want to have a lifetime 10% discount on all commission fees on Binance, then click on the link in the description. I recommend watching this video until the very end, as you don't want to miss any of the info related to this coin. Well, that article was written 2 days ago, but it has some decent information I want to share. First, you need to understand what this project is about. The term Steller cryptocurrency refers to a digital or virtual currency developed by Steller Development Foundation. The organization's currency, which is called Lumen, is traded under the symbol XLM on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Lumens can be used by traders on the Steller network, which is a blockchain-based distributed ledger network that connects banks, payment systems, and people to facilitate low-cost, cross-asset transfers of value, including payments. Key takeaways: Steller is a decentralized protocol on open-source code to transfer digital currency to fiat money domestically and across borders. The Steller's blockchain cryptocurrency is called the Lumen, a token that trades under the symbol XLM. Steller is one of the best performing altcoins of the last 5 years, with a market cap of just over $1 billion. Understanding Steller cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that were developed for trading on decentralized networks called blockchains. Doing so ensured they couldn't be counterfeited like regular currencies. It has also prevented them from being double spent. Unlike fiat money, cryptocurrencies aren't issued by central banks, which means that governments don't interfere in their trading activity. A variety of cryptocurrencies popped up following the success of Bitcoin, created in 2009, including the Lumen. As mentioned above, the Lumen is Steller's cryptocurrency. There are roughly 22.5 billion coins in circulation, with a maximum supply of 50 billion. The Steller Foundation originally had over 100 billion lumens in existence, but burned roughly half of its outstanding coins in November 2019. The move caused a short-term rise in the price of XLM, though the rally quickly faded. Coin burns are controversial because they imply the kind of manipulation that decentralized systems are supposed to protect against. Although the value of Steller's Lumen dropped by more than 2/3 as of May 2020, it is still one of the best performing altcoins, taking the 11th spot on CoinMarketCap. The coin's market capitalization was around $8.3 billion as of March 25, 2021. History of Steller. Steller is operated by the Steller Development Foundation, a non-profit organization founded by Jed McCaleb. The Steller project received initial funding from the payment startup Stripe, along with donations from organizations like BlackRock, Google, and Fast Forward. The organization covers its operational costs by accepting tax-deductible public donations. In 2018, Steller signed a deal with Transfer2 for cross-border payments to more than 70 nations. It also became the first distributed technology ledger to obtain Sharia compliance certificate for payments and asset tokenization, and was selected as a partner by IBM for a double-pegged stablecoin project. Steller future. Steller's primary focus is on developing economies in the areas of remittances and bank loans to those who are outside of the scope of the banking services. Steller doesn't charge individuals or institutions for using the network. Steller supports a distributed exchange mode. This allows users to send payments in specific currencies even though they may hold credits in another, while the network automatically performs the Forex conversion. The receiver can withdraw their currency equivalent through a partner institute like a bank. As a cross-border transfer and payment system that connects financial entities, Steller aims to significantly reduce transaction costs and time lags. While Steller works just like technologies like Bitcoin, its key distinguishing feature is consensus protocol. The present-day Steller is a result of a 2014 fork that created the Steller Consensus Protocol, SCP, following which Steller became an open-source system. Under this protocol, the transaction authentication process is confined to a select set of trustworthy nodes rather than being left open to the whole network of nodes. Each node on the network selects a set of trustworthy nodes, and a transaction is considered approved once authenticated by all nodes that are part of this selected group. This shortened approval cycle allows the Steller network to process transactions faster and keep transaction costs lower. Alright, so now let's get to the price prediction. Steller has advanced from 12 cents above 68 cents since the beginning of the 2021 year, and the current price stands around 61 cents. This cryptocurrency's main trend remains bullish, and if this positive trend continues, this crypto could be one of April's best performers. Steller has exploded since the beginning of January, and this cryptocurrency continues to trade in a buy zone despite the current correction. Steller is a project that operates as a non-profit entity with a mission to connect payment systems, people, and banks. Users aren't charged for conducting transactions on the network, and it is important to say that Steller has a lot of advantages over Bitcoin. Steller transactions are confirmed within seconds at very low costs, while Bitcoin transaction confirmations may take more time with higher transaction costs. Steller has its own cryptocurrency known as Lumens. Its liquidity has risen dramatically over the last several weeks, and this cryptocurrency could advance above the current price level this April. It is also important to mention that cryptocurrency asset management firm Grayscale has bought 5,566,271 XLM over the past month, worth roughly $3.5 million. As institutional investors gain exposure to Steller, prices have responded strongly. Grayscale has gone on a buying spree, adding more upward pressure to the cross-border remittances token, BIP reported. Steller could advance above the current level in the ongoing bull market, and if the price jumps above 70 cents, the next price target could be around 75 cents or even 80 cents. Stellar's trading volume remains high, and for now, there is no risk of trend reversal. On the other side, if the price falls below 50 cents, it would be a firm sell signal, and we have the open way to a 40-cent support level. Since the beginning of April, XLM's market value has risen more than 60%, and this cryptocurrency continues to trade in a buy zone despite the current correction. Grayscale has bought over 5.5 million XLM in the past month, and it seems that institutional demand for this cryptocurrency is picking up at an exponential rate. Steller could advance above the current level in the ongoing bull market, and if the price jumps above 70 cents, the next price target could be around 75 cents or even 80 cents. By the way, if you're wondering, where can you buy XLM? You can follow the links in the description and additionally get extra discounts. But note, I'm not forcing you to invest in this project. It's 100% your personal decision. We really hope this video was interesting to watch and gave you some info about this topic. Thanks for watching.